Hey guys, so now we'll be talking about CPU software requirements and installation. So as you can see here, we need Python, NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and Matplotlib. Now if you're coming from a Python background, you'll be familiar with all these existing packages, and you would know that if you want to install all of them easily, then Anaconda is the way to go. Now you can click the link below to easily install Anaconda on Linux or OS X, or you could easily just Google it on how you can install Anaconda. Now when you do that, you just have to click on the first link that you see. So as you can see here, this is the first link, and you reach on to here, and you can see it is an extremely straightforward process where there is the macOS install, command line or graphical, and you have your Linux install. And for example, if you like to install it on macOS, all you need to do is to download and run a few commands, and you're good to go. Now after you're done with that, you realize that you would have effectively automatically installed all of these packages. Now if you want to check whether you have that particular installation, you can double check with this command, conda list grep package name. Now how are you going to do it? I'm going to do a quick show. So conda list grep, let's say we want to check for Matplotlib, and you can easily see that we have here Matplotlib installed. And let's say we want to check scikit-learn, and we can see that scikit-learn is there. And if you want to check if pandas is there, pandas is there. And if you want to check scikit-learn is again, SciPy is there, it's there. If it's not there, you would start to realize that there will be nothing coming up at all. And if you want to check for NumPy, then here you can see NumPy, and there's two here because one I install it with Anaconda and one I install it with pip. You don't have to worry too much about that. So basically everything is installed, and very clearly you can see that Python installed just by typing Python, and you can do certain operations with it. If you're coming with Python, this doesn't come as a surprise to you. So this is basically what we have here and what you need. So remember, you need Python, NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and Matplotlib. Now we'll move on to the installation of PyTorch, which is as simple as doing an installation on using Anaconda. So here you go.